Changing your password on SHEIN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and change it regularly for better security.